Hi, this is Ethan from Self-Sufficient Penang. In this episode of a bunch of how-tos, I'm going to show you how to save tomato seeds. You may be wondering, why would I need to save tomato seeds when I can plant them straight away, or even plant the tomato as a whole? But if you have encountered a rather uncommon variety of tomatoes like these and these, saving seeds for the future becomes a rather wise decision. Here are two ways of saving tomato seeds. First of all, a quick way. You can dig out the seeds from the fruit and put them onto a sieve. Then, use your finger to brush them against the sieve as you rinse them with tap water. Try your best to remove the pulp that wraps around the seed. Then, put them on a plate and then let dry for a few hours before you pack them up in a Ziploc bag. I don't really like this method because no matter how hard you try to wash them, there will always be some pulps that are too stubborn to be washed away, and therefore the seeds are often stuck together afterwards. This brings me to the second method, that is by fermenting them. In this case, put the seed in a cup or a jar and put a little bit of water into it. Then cover the cup or jar with a piece of plastic and put some holes on it. Leave the seeds to ferment for 5 to 7 days. And the reason why I prefer this method is that the pulp will be broken down by bacteria, which is good for separating the seeds nicely and increasing the chance of germinating. Once the pulp disintegrates and the seeds are fully separated, empty the content into a sieve and wash them with tap water. Then you dry the seeds on a plate before you pack them, like the previous method. And there you have it! Now you have a bunch of tomato seeds and you can sow them anytime you wish. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Self-Sufficient Penang for more tips on urban farming. We'll meet soon and always be self-sufficient in something.